Mumbai water supply. Mumbai, one of the greatest cities of the world and financial capital of India. Naturally, the requirement of water for citizens of this huge city is also huge. The present population of Mumbai city is around more than 13.4 million. The water supply requirement per day for the citizens here come to around 3,800 mld. We cannot even think about life without water. Add to this fact, the world has only 1% water that is fit for drinking. Hence, the storage and use of this water is very important. In order to supply water to Municipal Corporation of Greater Mumbai, dams were built in the periphery of 50 to 100 kilometers. Water is brought from the lakes created due to these dams. Water supply to Mumbai is carried from 7 lakes. Out of these, Tulsi and Vihar are located in Mumbai city. Tansa, 90 kilometers. Modak Sagar, 106 kilometers. Madhya Vaitarna, 135 kilometers. Upper Vaitarna, 145 kilometers. And Bhatsa, 94 kilometers away from Mumbai. Upper Vaitarna and Bhatsa dams are owned by the government of Maharashtra, and the other 5 are owned by the Municipal Corporation of Greater Mumbai. Vihar Lake is the oldest from 1860, Tulsi from 1879 and Tansa is from 1892. Vaitarna and Bhatsa are comparatively new. In fact, Madhya Vaitarna was activated a few years back in 2014. The water that is collected in the dams and the lakes is from the rainy season. The Water Supply Engineering Department of the Municipal Corporation of Greater Mumbai plans the water supply to city for the rest of the year. The requirement of water for Mumbai city every day is mostly fulfilled from the water obtained from Tansa, Modak Sagar, Upper Vaitarna, Middle Vaitarna and Bhatsa lakes. The water is carried from the lakes through huge pipelines and underground tunnels, ranging from 1800 mm to 3000 mm with a length of approximately 400 kilometers, and underground tunnels with a length of 40 kilometers are used. The flow and pressure of water arriving through these main pipelines is noted using the SCADA, means Supervisory Control and Data Acquisition System, and using satellite. The readings are noted at the Chief Control Room and Sub-Control Room. Apart from this, the Water Supply Engineering Department of Municipal Corporation of Greater Mumbai also prepares a daily report on the water levels at the lakes and remaining water storage capacities in them. Supervision on the water supply in various wards of the Municipal Corporation is also carried out through the use of a SCADA from the Chief Control Room of this department. Water is life, only is the same is clean and pure. The main task for the Water Supply Engineering Department of the Municipal Corporation of Greater Mumbai is to make available clean and pure water every day to the residents of this great metropolis Mumbai and to protect their health. Water Supply Engineering Department of the Municipal Corporation of Greater Mumbai, serving the citizens 24 hours a day.